Love you.
Say it again.
I love you.
Yeah?
I love you.
What else do you have to say?
But, but, but. But. Bye.
Careful.
Bye.
Chloe, what do you want to do today?
Today.
What do you want to do? You gonna drink some milk? Is that what we're doing today? Oh dear. This is gonna be the most random video ever.
Nice words?
Yeah, we're gonna use nice words.
Nice words.
Nice words like I love you.
I love you.
And you're my favorite.
You are my favorite friend.
And you're my favorite friend.
Ah.
Yeah. Oh, Mommy's sleepy. Sleepy, Chloe. Did you have a good sleep last night?
Bing! With my daddy bear, it's my daddy bear.
You're insanely entertaining to me. Okay, are you gonna go to school tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Are you gonna sing a song?
Sing a song.
What song do you want to sing?
Sing a song. No, a dinosaur song.
A dinosaur song? Oh my goodness, that was a loud noise. Do you know any dinosaur songs, Chloe?
I don't know.
I don't know any dinosaur songs either. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. So what other nice words do we know?
Be my friend.
Be my friend. What about beautiful? Beautiful's a nice word. No? You don't want to say beautiful?
Weaver.
How do you scare away monsters, Chloe? Do you scare away monsters by going That doesn't scare away monsters. Does scare away monsters? Okay. Is that enough movie for now? Are you a sheep? You realize this is going to be on the internet forever, and when you're a grown-up kid, Mother, I can't believe you. How did you torture me so? Ouch. Ouch. You gonna say some more nice words? No. You just want to say bah. I think Mama needs some coffee. You want to say bye-bye? I love you?
I love you.